Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core, and today I'm going to show you and teach you multi-selector list component. So here we have a unselected list, and there we go. So that is development is selected, health category is selected, and the news category is also selected. So that is the selected category. If you want to select all the items, just push this button, that is select all items, and unselect all items, this one. So how to create a component in a Blazor? That's just very easy. You can do it in a Blazor. Before going to implementation part, just I want to discuss about my membership plan. Membership program, I will give you complete video tutorial on .NET Core. I mean to say that beginning to advanced video tutorial on .NET Core, as well as I will provide you a complete video tutorial on Dapper, REST API, Angular, Entity Framework Core, MS Test Unit, .NET Blazor, and it's not only a video tutorial, it's actually project-based video tutorial I will give you. I will give you complete source code which is included and during the creation of this projects. And so I will provide you lots of video tutorial, 200 hours based video tutorial I will give you in just 800 rupees. Only one time fees, that is 800 rupees for Indian users and $15 for other country user like US, UK and Australia and other countries who can pay from the PayPal accounts. So if you want to join this membership, just go video description box and where you can find a Google form link and just fill the form and get your membership. And this is the form, full stack development course I will provide you. So just fill this form, your name, your email ID, your contact number, transaction reference ID or order ID or PayPal ID. If you belong from India, just pay using UPI ID, and here is my UPI QR code. Pay just 800 rupees. If you belong from other country, just pay using PayPal ID, and this is my PayPal ID, narenkumar851@gmail.com. Okay, so you can also use this QR code. Uh, the link actually available in your video description box. So if you want to get this membership, just fill this form. Okay. If you want to design a multi-selector component in Blazor, just you need a shared project. So under the shared project directory, here we have a multi-selection .razor component. Okay, you know that a multi-selector razor component is what? That is the multiple selection, there is a no need actually. So first of all, you need a unselected list. So here we have a unselected list like that, where item in unselected list. And here we have two buttons control. There we go for the select all item and select unselect all items. And here we have a selected list component, selected list, tag, or a unselected list element. So here we have a unselected list, so each item iterated and one by one that will be shown in your item.value. Okay, and when we select any item, that is on click that item, so selected item, that is item, deselect item, that is item. Okay, item.value. And what is the unselected list? And what is the that is the unselected list, unselected list. So here we have two things, that is select multiple. Select multiple is a class where we have two things. The first one is key and value, and key and value both are the string type, and with the constructor you can just initialize both the key and the value. So here we have both are the parameters, so that is unselected list is populated first time during the create operation. So when we select this item, that is the item.value. So select item, that is the select multiple type of items. So unselected list dot remove, unselected list dot remove this item from the unselected list, and selected list dot item dot add. So when we click to any item from unselected list, item will be moved to the selected list and removed from the unselected list. So you can see that here we have a unselected list dot remove, but selected list dot item, that is item to be added. This, when we deselect item from the selected list, so first to selected list dot remove the item and add the item in unselected list. The same scenario with the selected all items. So select list dot add range, unselected list, and selected list dot clear. So here we have a simple method where we have a unselected list and selected list, where we have a selected list component. So both are the parameters. And what is inside in the multiple select outer and multiple selector UL tag? So outer is what? That is the outer tag, or you know that here we have a UL tag and division tag and UL tag. So it's an outer tag. So okay, so that is the width is 100%, and in a UL tag, just you can say here we have a UL tag, multiple selector UL tag, just width and the height of the selection, and overflow is mentioned. Overflow, I mean to say that in the y direction, just you have to add like CSS and custom CSS my app.css, and in myapp.css multiple selector.ul.li item, and multiple outer is the flex type. So adjust in the width and the 100% width, multiple selector.ul width, height, padding, border, overflow, y direction, auto, and list style type is none. That is the UL, and each item of the li is pointer type, padding, font size, and the color, like that. When we li hover, the background color will be changed. Okay, so looking like that, when the background color will be changed when we hover on each item. So you can see your multiple selector UL tag with the allied column hover. Okay, so that is the multiple selector, multiple selection component in Blazor, Microsoft WebAssembly Blazor. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and keep watching all other videos. And I know that my membership program is very interesting program for you. If you want to join this program, just go to the description box, and where you found a Google form link, and just fill the form and get the membership. Thank you very much.